hope I'm not gonna get seasick because I am seasick. So we got to Manly and now we're walking down to North End. We just had something to eat. We had some Mexican, which was really delicious. Hi. What language was that? A parrot language.
Parrot on your shoulder. You see?
Yep.
It's creative.
I have my own parrot and it speaks. So it's really exciting. I'm really excited to see what we're gonna do. And we are tired. It's really, really hot here. It's like 28 degrees or 32. Feels like it's really, really hot right now. And yeah, it's a nice. I don't think we're actually going like on the trail road, but we're almost halfway through. We still have like 2 kilometers walking. Yeah, but we can do this. We're strong.
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you say?
Last week,
Yeah.
storm, the rain.
Yeah, we were like, after that, we can do anything.
I know. That's what I said.
That's, I agree with you. Okay, what is this? Does this mean something?
What?
This little pile of something. No, this. Who did this? The car? Ay, stop it! Oh, look at this. This is cool. The trees. I'm excited about the trees. And yeah, we can see how people live. So I'm here at the Fairfox Lookout. The long walk was worth it. Huh. What?
Not easy. This is it.
And now we're coming back home from Manly and we're on a ferry back home. There's a ship right there. So beautiful. And I'm loving this. that was the ferry that we just were on. They left me.
You ran away.
I stayed to show them what we were just riding on. And that was my first time riding on a ferry, and the view was spectacular. I loved it so much. Woo, best day!